Hello, my name is Suresh Kumar. I am working with Medhas as a field engineer. Right now, I am working in RDSS project in Punjab, in Batinda city. Here we are dealing with the segregation, bifurcation, ST augmentation, LT augmentation, ST new line, DTR, new DTR, augmentation of DTR. So here I am showing you ST augmentation line. Here we can clearly see that the 80 mm square, which is a raccoon conductor, is erected on the 11-meter pole. Also the material is provided galvanized material, which is a V-cross arm and top hamper, and the pin insulator was a polymer pin insulator. Here we also provided the danger board, which is for the safety purpose, and we can clearly see that the very neat and clean work has been done. When the line crossing the road, we also provided the guarding, which is also for the safety purpose. Thank you.